Nigeria has lost one of its most respected leaders, Chief Dr. Senator Edwin Clark, who passed away on February 17, 2025. His death came just days after the passing of Pa Ayo Adebanjo, another important figure in Nigeria's political history. Born on May 25, 1927, in the Ijaw region of Delta State, Edwin Clark was a man who worked hard for the people of Nigeria and believed in justice, fairness, and unity. Throughout his life, Clark was involved in many key political moments in Nigeria. He served as the Commissioner for Education during General Gowon's time as president, and it was during this period that he helped start the Midwest College of Technology, which later became the University of Benin, an important school for many students. Clark's influence didn't end there. He worked as an advisor to the military governor of the Midwestern region, David Ejol, and later became the Federal Commissioner for Information in 1975. He also advised President Goodluck Jonathan on important matters, guiding national decisions with his wisdom. But Clark wasn't just a politician, he also cared deeply about helping others. He created the Edwin Clark Foundation to support his community and even helped build a university in his hometown to provide more opportunities for students. Clark was also the leader of Pan-Niger Delta Forum, PANDEF, where he fought for fair treatment of the Niger Delta region. He worked hard to make sure the voices of the people in that area were heard, even setting up a committee in 2024 to help solve disagreements between political leaders like Governor Siminalayi Fubara and his former mentor, Nyesom Wike. Despite the many challenges and controversies Clark faced, he remained dedicated to making Nigeria a better place for everyone. His work for justice, fairness, and the people of Niger Delta will be remembered for years to come. As we say goodbye to Chief Edwin Clark, we'll remember him not only as a political leader, but also as a person who wanted to make Nigeria a more just and equal country for all. His legacy will inspire future leaders to keep working for a better tomorrow. Rest in peace, Chief Edwin Clark, a true leader who made a difference. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.